we school now for born who carbon ko school where we are most of them titifie kakra bi na enya logum ko bu
yes locum
private hospital na no kra no kwame private hospital say yan no de bema apart from the giant private hospitals nkete say yan no de bema
na kwame say nya asemo a
na sa akwada no kwame bo sa akwada na waka so mfa 90 million emra
Okopeja no wayefa.
Okopeja no.
12 million.
120 million.
120 million. 150 million from Rokofa no.
Oh funny.
Na kwame say nya
shouldn't put them in.
Say nya asem nso a nka ye be recruit amanfo mo ba be somo a. Kwame san so ye protocol.
Now there are some that be America hunting. Me say Ghana na o kwa akosan wo death warrant o ko soja ko police e o death warrant na ko special
military. Yes protocol.
Awadam Zembe.
Now Kwame, and now Wakupija Semamba. I had the privilege of visiting a recruit baby, a soldier for.
Yeah.
Kwame ye train your mo. Kwame me drew or soldier back or catch them say 50 Monday. Ebe pim Saturday and I do 1 a.m. and San and Kwadane da. Ama humachi 3:45, 3:30. Sunday. One more says sorry, I could training.
Now, happens wedding.
That is
one will be our battle.
Which was a protocol? Protocol.
Oh, now,
Kwame, no woman, you are Kwame.
Oh, my battlefield, you know.
Kwame is a woman, you are.
Kwame, let them train them well.
Kwame,
battlefield don't go that.
Kwame is a wedding. Kwame,
let's have a case.
Oh, so you know,
I'm because uncle from Queens and get town recruitment for Mount.
That be just apply.
Just apply.
Man, young Tom apply.
Just apply.
You was a walk, man, so baby, you do man.
Oh, we said, my name is Emily. I sure they maybe that we are Koyuka, me Koyuka. Why me apply on my name? And by now, famous at TJ, you were they quarrel me.
Oh, Korea, but walk with
the radio.
You do
Oh, I think I still have them here. Mammy, tell me,
America is a young boy. Then UK for the soldiers don't overcome. Battlefield.
I'm the master. I'm some baby, me who never say you're missing for why
people are selling their freedoms to come and protect the nation.
Yes.
They are selling their freedoms.
Ghana Kwana security service as a what do you have you?
Yes, Kwame, because the moment I will recruitment you must say what on freedom their mom.
Yeah.
And what we will nip a way of thinking. Net the way you say ye be yin in a few moon yet the military there show mu.
Na upa Kwame obeto undia.
Just said one son knew who be a mo.
Aye.
One son no mammy no papa dear be a mo Kwame. Would ye military for dear. Because the says and your war citizens near war military. Etina, yes, President of the Republic and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Tonight is a two.
Why me ECG for my crata almost say true PRC. Okay, ECG straight. Or say power outage due to an upstream challenge. The Electricity Company of Ghana wishes to inform our cherished customers and the general public in the Ashanti region that the outage being experienced across part of the region, part of the region today, Tuesday, 5th May 2026, is as a result of challenge upstream. ECG wishes to assure affected customers that our engineers are standing by to restore supply as soon as the challenge is rectified. ECG regrets the inconvenience caused to the affected customers. ECG phone call mom de ban ye na aka is plant. Baby I will be almost wait there baby. They say no was Ashanti here. Oh ya doom no we do dooms on the better guilty. Also but
Amazi Amanfo raising conversation say Ashanti region normally they light near politics.
Yeah.
And somehow one way you'll be tempted to believe that.
And they say easy for no more your mass
because
yes, yeah, you were free.
And now let me need penny movie come. What's it Kwame? I didn't know what Ashanti experience, no more experience in the side. Uko Pimu or Nordna said you must see experience was
Kwame and it yourself and catch and see.
Yes. No,
almost sources, and there are two different sources.
Yes, so Pigas are they buy. And I make Kwame and say, sir, you plant a whole one is this bono in a sephono. And yet the same thing to the Waha. And a bono say you were netco. Right. Yes, you were net.
Kwame Bono and northern part and they deal with Buidam.
Okay.
Buidam.
Different.
And then the southern sector deals with Akosombo and other gas pipelines.
Yes, but a different source. The demand in Kumasi in Ashanti region. No one compare demand and what the other say a part. It is a expansion here. No beyond the politics. Still, I want
Ashanti region. Ashanti region. Kwame Ashanti region.
Yes.
Okay, demand there or Ashanti region. Now here the Akosombo Ade up any Ade ya nansi an say esi o makofa plans bia aba Ashanti region o mo be install purposely for this situation. They make the bia and say Ashanti region here be di say Bui on his own.
Yes.
Onya Akosombo on his own. Because the demand or share power supply for every region. The demand there was Ashanti region. It was short to say Greater Accra. So Greater Accra, Ashanti region. And to me, Komunya Bibiti said here, Udru Northern region, the Bono areas, no?
Yes.
Or more Bui, so they don't rely on Akosombo and ECG for you, but they have Netco VRA. No more, that will be better for them because the supply, the demand is too much. Soon, you can't take it away.
Yeah,
a huge. It will here a system on their own as a region. Where you can, we say why should Ashanti region or Greater Accra be treated different? Yeah, they have to be treated different because the demand on the graph, the demand in a Greater Accra region, the demand in Ashanti region demand. Obetimaka regions bear 4 crab.
Oh yes.
Obetimaka regions bear 4. The demand that here. So Greater Accra in Ashanti region, they should have certain system on this its own.
Because Ashanti na a country you live in. Oh, they say this is so abided trade quite. I don't know how kind of regions in regions in
but people say, you know, those usual things. Why should people be treated different? But it's obvious.
But in all situations there are exceptions.
In
all cases there are exceptions. So we need to understand some of these things.
The demand for Ashanti region, the demand for Greater Accra region is an exceptional case.
Yes.
They need to be treated exceptional.
Take
it or leave it.
Or leave it. That's true.
Because yes, sir. Abembia bebebia wasumunjo say Greater Accra say Ashanti region. These two regions wasumunjo da. Take it or leave it. Wasumunjo da.
Krada.
And these same people, because of how urban the area is, they always derive and say do politics with it. That is how it is. And to be safe, no. Na say Akufo-Addo was mkofa plans zekapa the bar back Ade up. NDC buy none we are your moon story. Mkofa no so buy. It tells you the demand. And yes, and day in day out, Greater Accra Ashanti region, they are doing extension. Yes. Extensions. Every day you see ECG contractors on the road. Expansion. So it's adding up to the national grid. So if some combat to me certain setup for Ashanti region, Greater Accra, then the rest you betcha I think they should get something like Bui Dam to supply the Greater Accra or Ashanti. No man from you because your challenge as a mind or Kenya. I mean, 8 must say Kenya basis 2 days and call of Kakram. There are times easy for no technical word be means. I also we rebooting and all that. A BB to me trigger. And no, but Kwame and Kwana within some seconds. Nah, but where you doom can you more say you doom. And you see, if you are living in a Ashanti region or Greater Accra, I become part and parcel of you. I am normal. And it's 2 days you noom light or Greater Accra, you noom Ashanti region, a news. Yeah. Because you cannot have continuous light for 48 hours. All you do be doom now so bad. And it's troubling. And it's worrying for Omina. But Kwame ma Yamo Inspector General Abaso. You see, Kevin, do we still have the video? Post it forward and say na ye kan 17. Onipa beye post it phone num na mahwehwe mu ase. Akwa ba akona na ojiska o pragen de mi hu no. Won se na post ni ba ko. Edi kan ko je kra e wo kam. Na post ni a wa bon pa ye sa akwa no. So the crowd the brave so Kwame ebe odo a so kuru aya mabuso asa o.
Salet ye. Kuruma de enya. Ade kitu bi say na atoto.
Police ni oji momo wa wadam.
Do obo 054.
That's how we pa. Evidence is photo.
Obenya wo evidence nti wo kire bi. Ba Kwame na bi so.
Post ni bi a minim no. Allegations say be authentic say ono momo no obeji a na yire ton yoma no amu asende esi na yire dey to go come say there be ton yoma o me yire ho o ton yoma wo na yire ho
akwadwe ye adwuma
ai
ono a onye direct
ya
na wa ba be ye ni di say that's my make am hwe enie
enti post for ni nyina oduro na obe ese momo sema ono kwa de o ma nkoda obema number asende esi the number. And this all Benya Zaga, where say pie, you can't pop one number. I said so. And I said Barbara, Tonton, a underwear, snake caps, and a name. Sanya man, Nama was and Yama Barbara. Then they watch me. Why, I say, make a so. No, Tom, or so a boxer, a singlet. Barbara made also to Ade Akye Abia.
You know, Hono men and the crab man send this command.
Now, maybe reference in Kwame why goose.
Reference no na nka be ka ho asem.
Goose. Da ya se meja. Goose. Da you na akotwe Bible na we dey.
Reference no na ya asem no. But when you say Kwame reference no so na ye educate amanfo amadwene nko.
Da Ghana for bebre. Ono so aboti, abo bibia hye onim de ntikura reference.
Reference no so said esi wo ho no e dance die kese
pa.
Chance kana mu ankasa kura wasende no.
Yes.
Reference no.
Yes.
Dance die kese chance kana ankasa wasende. Say scan de wasende. O sende say yem fa nkoye den. What purpose na de send this sika no. What you say? Eti Kwame means reference no. First na ye nim na ye didi abro. Na be ye 3 years ni me be hu reference.
Kwame reference because of reconciliation to me fa reference.
Reference.
Right? Me ni pawi ana kan so no otwa bi pa. Enti todo bia otwa bi buru so a ade be chi ni sika no hu di ode ye.
Okay.
Edi baby abode pa ye reference no. Edi se bia oto bia ma Ulysses a no aye Ulysses bia. Oto we ma we a no reference no. Ti aropo sorry a no so miko prisons.
It was sorry no of oheda ni sika no.
So ti
a city and so what to see who ma very good.
Very good.
Okay.
And you call statement na.
Miko prisons. Miss Bendy says.
Miss Bendy say.
Me feel me command this.
Me call Davi. Miss Bendy say. Ira Mandis.
Miss Bendy say. Me call Isbeth. Me call Big Bite.
Isbeth no crowd so yet say what to paste beside out. Wait, oh, see the reference this time, look.
Yeah,
oh yeah. Uto fu. no indicate
Kwame wo nti ade akyi na so wasa ni sika na bro so anu akoni pa no say ah eno ade ne de na meto esi sei obedi tro say oh ma me 200 I say wo bo 500 na me send ma o he eni sika na me send ma o no
wajo nsisa eboa pa menia
odi obi adi asam
eboa
obedi
anu cry ye chase obey physical cash enti sendei
obedi
just
ya chira body
now why there be reference in the good education now why B
ade
G Barbara gift then so the chair
ane
what you say
ane BB gift
Ulysses donation and when UD
na dey say ho
you donation and when one kai
se funeral so a eni mo ye contribution dey say ho on say say groups no so obo pa chinye pa
on pa chinye pa make say wentua na dey show is very important it's very important
simple
it's very important
but we dey yema omo na omo ta pie gi omo ni pa
oh I good appointment dey mom
yeah good appo
very good appo
ya me fa omo
twa bet ni say no ya no look this twa enti afini kwa we ya oko statement ebe mo hu better wase adwuma wo ye yira ebe kwai
o wie ni nyina ba bia skani
de ma wo di yesusu adwuma pa wo ye no se ebe mo ai ti wo be hu between kwase adwuma na adwuma pa se de wo be di na adwuma pa de wo be lusu ni kwase adwuma ti ebe mo balance sheet de na mo se the following year no and the following month wo be twa na untwa
that's all eti reference no de yesere mo ehu hia pa eti se wo
ye ma me post ni de o kwaji mo sai
o Kwame
post ni na da post for no pen intelligence na omu kwa ye kire bi omusua
nti na momo venda bia
ba nyam na atua ne ka
ene no kwasem
na me to Kwame
o ya no wa je
na me o me ye komu mo kura me ma mo wura na twa picture Ade mama mo wura na twa because it's becoming too much
nti na venda bia me ho ba
Kwame bribe no post for no da bia ya kan is becoming too much
oh yes no kwasem Kwame ya broso it is becoming too much too much ba too much net time bi ya time kra eti post for no mtu omo enye fe ba kusi oji mumu sesen oji mumu e de ayeden nti wo ji aje nso mumu aba wo expose wo sei wo expose wo gidi sei aden police ni de mumu de mpacho ma nka wo line mu
Kwame na ni crew ana ayema
ma nka wo line
ya ba post for but Kwame me nya information said there's a far outbreak and so awadum
oh
yeah no pay me tia ma me machine pa enti team ni bi call mo kwa akohwe said
yes right na me said damage e be cause no be less anye kesi
enti ya ma team ni bi call say omo nkohwe
yes e be hard
ya dum dia no ndi urade nyamo
dum adum so de Kwame
all right na me be hwen
erade come
Kwame so eye omumre na aso me sa na me hu omu eye omumre na aso nyame na eye omu so krata
okuru anso ye man so de ana ye ma
nyame na eye omu so krata you mum fa video no nto so area ha oh okay oh we dey say we dey o maso anu ntemu we dey oh you listen so dia utimi ma ehunu abapa
oh Charlie
you listen
mama ni pa ya mushishie ne sa
ai pa Thomas area oh there be na we dey say we dey ehunu ntem kra we dey de nyamias oh videos na me hu ande na say ye oh na say you we dey nyamiadom
na Kwame
nyamiadom nyame ne danase
Kwame
ye
enra me chance on video bi a madam teacher ni oko maternity leave 3 months Kwame oba ye nkwada oni omu school
school mo nyo na active teacher
yes
asa yes to oba ye say headmistress in kra over 60 years over 60 years aka you also the retirement one and how active
Krati is yes here for baby Kotokojani number 2 Kotokojani number 2 we mu nyina ye hia chirechirefo
enti voter regime teacher for ni bi eni ho mo pa adwuma ye
oh Kwame Kwame.
No pay my young phone.
And then you see a better modernization, the koto laptop. Meanwhile, we need classroom, many actually for or you have to use the laptop.
Oh,
Kwame. Asem ni bi wo ayro asefi mu enkoda na ni classroom mo mbetena asua de enkoda ni nse ni akyerɛkyerɛfo mbegiro mo anim akyerɛ oba de wo se wo modernize education structures in the system no e de laptop e de ba why na be kyerɛ akoda no kwan be fa so use laptop why na be kyerɛ akoda no entire laptop yin so akwame o mu kai ebi enso akoda yi so da enso ni so enu oda
baby obe charge no kra ya
light kra wo ni bi
enso ye nyina tax
ni ye nyina ye sika but ebi mo enjoy.
Oh yes,
schools ni bi enya wo mo tam
me say marking scheme na also mo sesa no because Kwame ebi a disadvantage I say mobile be communica
Kwame what's that page topic
no be a one shall say or a disadvantage already.
Kwame what's that page topic for
but the marking scheme no and found baby our exams in the
Kwame what page topic for
I think said they should be considerate say even say ba say be rural area enya grade 8 next school near fa 6 for I was say fa 8
yes I was here for tem so cry no
10 was here fa
ye hwe baby a wo free no a wanya 8 no and tem so cry was here
I was here fa no because
geographical location no Kwame in terms so I was here the fa no why are dey wo Kwame dey to so me dey me hu ni say BC for na Kwame ye more 5 days no more dey throw 10 and 9 papers no Kwame body ben no maye
2 in a day
nipa na wanyini kura na adwi mu bia okọ university no man 3 weeks no dey actual exam na akwada ketua wo see 5 days on fan throw 9 papers
Kwame say ni nyina throw na
Kwame but ebraso
ebe hadin o nyawe ebe hadin o
no sa atam no nim hadin
I say on o kira abofra no kwan ofa so
atam no nim hadin
kira abofra no kwan ofa so gira wa firi
atam no nim sa dey man
oh but Kwame I think to their level no yeah
Kwame 5 days 9 subjects
o kira
10
I throw 10 o kira muzuela pe o kira muzuela pe kan wa throw 10
enti anajo na ade a chi no over 2 subjects to prepare
say normally na RME English
Kwame ade
but e be o mo
ade ti na tertiary for no ye mo 5 days
2 days
o da wagi mo bie na we you know wo so wontumi akoda ketua we Kwame ebi wo 12 years o ebi kura wo 11 12 okotro BC
na wo kan wo twere wo de sei
Kwame me de na atwam
me busa se mo twere wo de sei
5 days
one pass ya da
5 days
asem na ki
Kwame but see ya de wo say koda no ye head ye no mu de
say omo advantage
oh there be Kwame
the current
university no so untumi
the current generation I said university
Kwame what university no who's untumi ye ma 3 weeks na fa churo 7 papers
obeya markers me nsemeka
ka oberika ye di nkomo ka
eze unu eche university eye bi eche
obewie rezu ni vaso ba ku sei
Baba bi o say o ye economics and business administration level 100 level 200 omu ye bom enti pen e dey no level 100 level 200 omu ye bom odru level 300 na o course special o specialize o course ape say bia be economics be accounting and so be na kwa ko obeche accounting akwa eji abrukuma akwa eji akoto prema o che ya yihu ade so
eva
almost mo gaje o se ye field a ye beti ase I bu say dey na entwire nti dey create kwan ya because say o ye science our SS na ko university na aka so ko ye business kwa me ko pe won asem ko accounting na won said your mom basis no a better advantage among no o kwa it takes some time
oh yes
because more fundamentals
yes
and you more build it on easy but we don't know anything about costing you don't know anything about counting a fina yeah they ba be show ase
yeah
to you also oh yes smart asan why oh aha asana why Ba Kwame yanko Greater Accra. Na yenhwe so far exams yen kra no. Said you we worry say 2 in a day no mo fanta fedro e ha adwen.
Kwame enyo.
Checheku ayofro wa homa no so. Judges anopa penkasi ama chen.
Mejo so Nkwantabisa.
Na obanyu pom te say.
Adom ni ahwe yie. Kumase brono ba ko wa ye me depa ye dan nyame ono ana me dan na no pe.
Odun kran so akro ba ko lashibi. Na tese kran wo be piem wa. Aram tese wurawura mu pa. Tese cheche na wurawura mu pa na sana nso hwe ne tia ho.
Nkwantabisa me da asemi mo akwa baba nka mantem. No kure ni nyame ani enra nsɔhwɛ nkwala ne fi aseɛ ɛwɔ man Ghana mu hɔ no nyinaa no enkramantem hɔ no deɛ ne deɛ ɛnyɛ mu wɔn sɛ bɛtɔ aba ɔmbɛtɔ nsɔhwɛ ne bɛwie no na enkramantem na awuradi kan esan sɛ mmeayɛ bi a menya adagye a mekɔɔ hɔ nom no yɛhwɛ nkwala na ho kekan wɔ soro ipo ɛbrɛ a yɛbisa ɔmo first paper no sɛ ne tifa kɔɔyɛ nkwala ne de tu dwa kyerɛ sɛ asɛ ɔmo tia deɛ ma ne boroto ne kyerɛ sɛ nsɔhwɛ na ɛbaayɛ no nsɛmisa na wɔn nkwala ne tirim no na ɛboro nsɔhwɛ no nsɛmisa a wɔn de ma wɔn no so na kyerɛ sɛ do awɛhyɛ mu paa sɛ ɔkyena anaasɛ nnura pepa na wɔn trɔɛ ne deɛ wɔn bɛyerɛ wɔn ho na wɔn atwa nea aka wɔn ho ne nyinaa mekɔ kankwe central ɛhɔ nom mmarahyɛbadwani wɔwɔ nom ɛyɛ ɔnabɔ yɛ apakaribu ama afei deɛ wɔfɛ si n'ani sɛ ɔbɛbɔ mɔden ne nkwadaa n'akyi ansana omo afi omo nsɔhwɛ na so na so afi we de ne de o twɛn mo tron nsɔhwɛ edi kan ni yie ansana wɔne wɔ mo ɛba bɛkasa ne kasa ba ko odi tu dwa ɛyɛ me de ne sɛ ɔse nkwala ne nsan si omo tirim ti sɛ nsɔhwɛ no omo ta nte yɛ nkranhyɛ kɛseɛ paa ɛna ɔkɔɔ yɛ ɔde kɔkɔma wɔ mo afei nso director na ɔno ɛna ɔyi sɛ hwɛ nkwala ne nsɔhwɛ kyerɛ mu no obiara mfɔ ha mu ɛde to dwa kyerɛ mu sɛ bea hɔ no mu no ɛyɛ ɔkanko central no nipa baako ɛna wantumi amba na onim sɛ bi a ɛyɛ ade foforɔ aba ɔno ne susu sɛ ebi a na ne ho bɔbɔ no ebio efi hɔ no mu ɛkɔ ɛyɛ ayawa so central ɛhɔ nso yɛkɔhwɛ yɛ sɛnea ɛhɔ no nso no nsɔhwɛ ne si kaseɛ ɛbɔ wura mu ara kɔfa a ɛyɛ trɔbo ɛne ne mpɔtɛm amasama hɔ no mu ne nyinaa ba yenhwɛ ebra ntɔhwɛ ne ba be fi aseɛ no na wɔtwe wie no ɔpanyin a ɔno anoto nkra ɛde ma ɛyɛ West African Examination Council WAEC ɛyɛ Yewura John K Kapi ɔno ɔde to dwa kyerɛ mu sɛ nsɔhwɛ kyerɛ no mu no candidate dodoɔ a wɔn nyinaa yɛagye atum sɛ wɔn abɛtwerɛ aba no ɛyɛ over 600,000 students ana candidates omumu emu mmema ɛyɛ 304,273 ɛna ɛmma ɛyɛ 315,712 nti afie wei deɛ no asɛ akɔ anim kakra na Nkwantabisa ɔtoa so ebububububu mu ɛhwɛ mantem biara ne sɛnea esifateɛ ɛbi nti no mɛbɔ no toa ɛwɔ mantem ne mu bi mu nkramantem a no sei no nipa dodo a omunya akonya register for BEC no ɛyɛ 114,243 ɛna schools dodo a omutumi di wɔn ba bɛhyɛ mu yɛ 3,295 na ɔmo tro nsɔhwɛ yi ɛwɔ 443 centers minko ɛyɛ asante mantem nipa dodo a ɔmo di tum sɛ ɔmo ba bɛtwerɛ aba no 124,904 124,905 Kwame Nkwantabisa ɛna ebio schools dodoɔ no 3,383 na ɔmo twerɛ ɛwɔ 444 centers yɛnhwɛ Eastern region na menkɔ Central region na memfɛn wie Eastern region no nipa dodoɔ a ɔmo nya akonya twerɛ ana ɔmo de ɔmo din ba sɛ ɔmo bɛtwerɛ BEC bi no Only 56,700 candidates. Every 222 schools and 211 centers in so and almost two. I think 15 months in 59,496 and schools to go multimedia muni being a few 2,531 and almost 247 centers. Internet no person working in an say I am probably now say in Kolani Babet on social say now. At the church won't be a woman Kwadana say from supervisor. And Nkwantabisa I am probably now one Kwadano, I won't push Nimu Elton Bisa and Yimu. Internet who be here say or bomb so cocoa. Into the Cocoboca Sepa and or demo Moka Trom say, we are invigilator and now we are Chechenia. She who first in Kwalani social much one in same bitem a obebwa woman. Say, Bibi kitten ketibi was to say, okay, beer, me pacho me chia me ya, it's money, Febu, and I say, eh, beer, me pacho, me person me coco, a good shoe, a handy and only be a pound of water. Nemo, Mamu Shan Kwadana kitten say, and Nkwantabisa, who spelling Nkwantabisa, 10 years spelling, no, I call catching say, 1 fear 20 and no, a bad key. E basa one kwadano e no se ekokoba yera John K Kapi a wo ye kasama for de ma wae wo Ghana han ni sei wo de tun central for enim
na chese so what do any rama all over the country idea this time no so we share the behavior of the student unlike some years ago drew baby exams in year omni teacher for ntokwa I wanted to say
me da Nkwantabisa who say when you wasi when you be Nkwala nso bi omonfi susa say o betime di say bi man tem bi say nemo
cheche jai mama nyi video bi say see na yo
Nkramante mu anu say die na me Nkramante mu say die enti no notwithstanding no ade e be bon kwala na baso ye nya hu say behavior ni bia e na empe bebre na so say bi ode tutu nsie bi achemu na anka obekọ center A yes say ya mansa ma adenti a wafa ye funu obekọ center B Nkwantabisa ban wentimi amba o aden awawo saa ne yeme ni nyina no afiwe no asa brase e won Nkramante mu anu say e be bon kwala no so baso e wo hu
na chesa afiwe de omo nyem ta abetro no anhya da amba
sa pepepe
oh nice what it be say nkwada no omo sachira ana se won se kasachira no so na ekoso
Nkwantabisa mi tita awofo nso abom homodin wo kasachire mu esan se awofo asabi o ma nani nkonkwala ho bebre ni na ye mpen bebre na no aya omo kwa tibia bi mu sei ansampo ena o makwa akotro mu nsohwe nti eno nso ka ho bie ena enkwala ne nso Nkwantabisa de ba kwa o se minu mienu ye hye ne nso se ye maya ye wo ma ba sa sisi o ma son den enti se Barbara pensona o mo wo no krompa o ka chen se wonda wo beda no enkwala no ma son den ena o mu ni impo se minu mienu nti no ni nyina no eye kasachire kakra akola bi nso wo no ma ena msisi atrenti no onu ahwe ne kokoye no akodra so ne wakope ne ode betim ya bon ho ban sa ne mani nyina kan na msisi afi no ni ten no enti enyi ni tibeduri sa
all right jeje aropai minim sa aropai so mu gina mu hye
ye be kwa akofo mu kakra na don keke wo mamra hye be de fiem to be friend central control mu na fe atanto de ni akofo
ho ne hu hia me pa
enran so Speaker of Parliament Sarah Aban Kingsford Mani Babi Eden Kasa Babe to Mountain so a obo eye ma se bi fie me kokose obi bia wo ye ma che bedwani no nyame ya adoma na ebusumi wo mu na ne de to ye dunu baako ye fi eye dwumedi ate e wo mamra secretary fia no so nkratade ababe tuga wo kasa che mo se recess a wo de ma wo no e bra so mo sanso ba na omo ba beboa oman no ewo insembisa na se wo to budwumedi wo mu diso anopa no kono pepepe nti no 21st of May no na shebedwani bia wati kwan wo ba bia no kai hunu so ba be team of parliament na we fi ujumedi aso.
Oh, okay. Anɔpɛ ma yɛ na ase bebree medem sɛ mundie ni so kɔ so a ɔde bɛba yɛn akyira anɔpa nti ma yɛ na ase.
Mesome da asenkɔntɛ.
Yɛnua ɔpɔn kyekyeku papa bi anɔpɛ na ate ne kae for fresh pa. Yɛn parliamentary correspondent Accra deɛ nkran deɛ baabi ate sɛ asɛm na ntɔ fam ɔde wurawura mu saa na ɔde abɛma yɛn anɔpɛ yi ɛso so te sɛ yɛne no edi nkɔmɔ ɔno wura mu nkran na ba wa mu wura mu wɔ ha na ɛsɛ aboji bɛsɛ for God and country
Kwame
yeyi
na sisi Accra to Kumasi stretch no so the air time
aden
nra obi send him video bi ofi Accra ba o ba bi dura jo so nko 15 good hours
aden
traffic nko a wo
kwan me hu video bi
traffic nko a wo kwan no
me dem say bi aka bi na amu na to something
me nim de ekoso wo kwan no so o efiti na no Saturday na me nya asa info Kwame we ni
aha I have to find out. I think Zena can be a buato. I think Zena BBS because it's this.
Fiti nano na Saturday na sa ma kwanya.
I can't kwanya buato.
Me Kwame me ko sunya the same thing no bi ka kire me nano. Nano Friday.
Okay.
O se otu anopa 6. Obedru Kumasi anumre 4.
I know the minimum de pro.
Na e dey
and Kophobia ye speed drums be pan.
Maybe or 2 for your cry about Kumasi.
Oh,
Ane 6 a.m. also be drew Kumasi 4 p.m. I didn't hear
6 a.m.
Yes.
And we drew 4 p.m.
Yes.
Ade.
Kwame. It doesn't add up. Until say anymore.
10 hours.
And on we Joe and him, my friend back will be away. And was 15 good hours from Accra to a just 15 good hours.
Too much.
That way there.
So what is happening?
What is happening?
I think you hear an empty to the phone building. We have to find out what is happening. If it's a day event, na sebi say who a woman say.
Hey. I mean, so we should go to the one. Who say cars now is stuck we go we ma. Na we so ba we find my way me say.
Wo mu a omu so so omu nim nyansa chen. Obi a no mu yi fa nchen.
Ne he. Omo na ko block ha no. Omo so na ko.
As me krom man ponten kwan. Onam ofri he ko fa ade ne masa. Enkofo no mko rom fa ha bewure. Omo na ma traffic ni chi o. Traffic ni to be unnecessary.
Asempa no akopeja no.
To be unnecessary.
Asempa no akopeja no. Saman ponten ya stretch no.
To be unnecessary. Omo rewura mu ha no. Omo ko fa ha wura mu.
We be wura no a blocking no we wura no a blocking na ehɔ no na o. Tese we nti ase ma we nkɔ na we nso
mesi. Junction hɔ kra de ba bi ohema ye ne pan no say oh masa hɔ de agya. Masa.
Time o.
Say soro no mu masa. Jai. Ti hɔ no de se nya bo 6:30 wɔ town there masa hu so obedi so. Na nti so ɔtwen ya na.
Eti da se ma hu strategy na ɔde develop. Any common.
Na di biti time.
No watch ne fa.
Na di biti time.
Wanya ne za wonko.
Dabi.
Obedi traffic so sa. KK anodin. Congestion nso ya doso ye kwa.
Serious.
Ya doso. Na Kwame. Sunyan so ze kwan ho adwadi nkete no Kwame ze apeki o.
Na awo hen fasa.
Sunyane.
Awo hen fasa se sunyan yoka. Me se me hu dia me de me bɔ no.
Efri cocoa board anim honom no sa.
Na MC no te wo no hu ana. MC nani nya hu se edwoma na sha se hu se obey adwuma se sa de na ekoso be koso traffic o.
NIB anim.
Oto ye dey.
NIB anim ho so
sa apeki. Mo ma hom ni me pagya no pe yo me sra obu. What is asma me catch on?
Openi mate.
Opambo so what is asma me catch on?
Openi mate. Opamwe. Kwame no pai be obia. Ya manache.
Senior most prophet.
Yeah, the senior most. The special one. The special one. The nation prophet. The unique one.
One asma me catch on ukro.
Opamwe.
Catch yesterday. Kevin my na homra yaba yenton ade kakra de mra yaba na anopa yewram enso so honum we have a lot of circuit but me dam homra sisi Bye bye.
Yay! 21st clinic in yo. Yay! 21st clinic in yo. Yay! Aye. 21st clinic you say yay. Yay! Yay! 21st clinic you say yay. Yay! 21st clinic yo. Yay! 21st clinic yo. Yay! Na make 21st clinic here. Na the make can say originator, the pace setter, the commandant, the researcher, the alpha and omega, the beginning and the end. Eba siatica yare no wotimi to asia na eye 21st clinic. Ayare sabia na nima juma sei. Ayare sabia na adwuma ye ne de sei. Ayare sabia na wokwa wonsa nko the same. Ayare sabia na wokwa yenya wo ho adaji sei. Ayare sabia na wokwa doctor for na nurse for etimi massage wo ma woni padua etimi to dwom ema ni padua kora da wase se a na hemfa na ade me nante ya ansana wodi me bewura hai hemfa na ade me nante ya ansana wo ba bewura hoi 21st clinic ye awa 2 21st clinic sciatica commandante sciatica expert awa 2 wo sciatica nerves na efiri wo to ase na efa wo sirem na efa wanantu na eba ebesi ase ho no etire bi emutimi kaw emutimi ya wo ya wotimi se wuti pain sankasa we se ye ka pain na nye pain ni pain no ye fra bibi excruciating pain kama mintie excruciating pain sa excruciating pain no Yesu Kristo o sen asenu ne so no a na yaburu no ade ne kosenso no pain na no wo feel no ye fa ne excruciating pain sciatica ne se ebi ye wo a utimi nya excruciating pain na sa excruciating pain no e fa wo to asia na fa wo sem na fa wanantu a utimi se na de nantini emu kamede asa excruciating pain yi minya bi e wo manantu e wo mesem e wo meto ase e wo be na ase a mintimi kura enhye mpaboyi saa yare no ye frene sciatica na wo mu agana ha wo mu ye expert wo mu agidin wo mu bo ho modern wo mu nim na hyase ne na wieye asa wo ye project management ya ye wo A to Z yare sciatica no se wo ye ne project management ya A to Z no eye 21st clinic for ene ye ne saa eti na mi busa wo se wo mpomden etesai ene wo to ase emu tutu wana emu kawode ana wusiremu no emu etu ekire ho no ana wanantu no ama wanantu kra ye dendende ekawa ama wuji ho baabi eye wo sa wo ye exercise na beko eye wo sa wudi nkuto ye di nkuto twetwenwa ena beko eye wo sa wunya entafo maame bi tisa akosu agwoaboaje wonti obi wo ha ne nsam bu ana ne nam bu o mo se wunya maame bi anka wo nta anka wo de ne breme se ase akosu agwoaboaje wa wo ntafo mo mfa ne mra no wo mechi me se o memfrem ma mechi hwe Fako 21st clinic na Dr. Sestos ne doctors ahodo a wo mo branches ni nyina no wo mo nhyew e ma ho ntow 21st clinic sciatica yare no wo mo na ye expert ankasa wo mo na timi to ase wo mo na ye mo researcher se ye ho atoye na massage bi e be ye wo no wanantu no wo se no wo to ase no e be gina ba bi e gina watimi di akokoduro no waye wadwuma na nsan wontimi ntina se na nsan woda wontimi na wachi na nsan wona mana wo togu so na nsan krofo se wada na yarefo enye wo a eye 21st clinic se bra na ye sciatica no e na aye wo saa na sciatica no de wo mo beto ase e ya yare sabia yare bia nso wo mutimi sa eti say ye mojabroso say ye diabetes anansa de awo mu say ye stroke wo fa ba bi na adwodwo eno nso say wo de ba 21st clinic a doctor for ne nurse for mba ye ho adwuma na wo mo aboa eti say wo hwehwe ye branches no edoso mo a mo won kran ha no tantra hill runabout ne etua ho wo bo say billboard na ebo ho say wo fi amasaman e na eba e wo won sabonkum so e na wo fi achimata mo e na eba na wo fo tantra hill no so a e wo won sanifa so ya mentwa runabout no aka kra bia mo do runabout no so no won sani fa so hwa wo hye ya wo de hye ho no abon sampa 21st clinic nie ana sa wo temanso Roman Catholic asafo no anase Roman asafo no ne nchen hwa na wo kasoafo obom kwa no so new market ye nie 21st clinic nie sa wo komase a ehwan overseas edan no a ye headquarters Sompa 93.1 FM wo mu no sa dan no a ene wom ena sunyane for original hospital first gate no ene ne din hwe ne mutachi manfo enya bayere nko na wo ho GN bank dandada no ehon so 21st clinic nkrabata ba ko ho enkranza mensew nom ehon na mikunu free ehon so se wuduru ho no a wo mo ben children's park no wo mo gire mu ankasa takwa ene Roman stores no edin hwe ne mu sa wo takrade nso a efie kuma number 9 taxi station takrade wo mo bo adwuma 21st clinic ebi wo brekum goso oboase ene miama bebre enti wodi an se wo be frɛ 0540311311 a common number a 0540311311 0540311311 yenko 0540 eraimo 311311 na eno ano na no bro wa frɛ ya 21st clinic for be boa na sa sciatica no a aba akosia ye me ma mi bi osa akosia ye se sciatica o meto ase mentini nam se ma me na wukuta pomai bra wo de ba 21st clinic a ye be hwe won tentem abasa ha so katente ama ho ato eti efri usisi efa wo to ase fa wo srem no wanantu besi wo nanse no sa yare no se nya wo na ebubu a na ehawa na wunya excruciating pain na chese eye sciatica na wo ma bi wo mu yem adwuma no eye 21st clinic enti frɛ wo maame bi wo papa bi wo nua bi wo dofo bi wo kunu wo yere wo ba bi na wo complain se nansen wo transia na ne to ase ne ya nansen ne sre achi wo no etutu no nansen na nantu emu tutu no nansen ne nanse enti ne mu echi no eka ne dwea wo se wo mfrɛ 0540 311311 0540 311311 still 21st clinic womu ye sciatica expert womu ye sciatica originator womu ye sciatica pace setter womu ye sciatica commandant womu ye sciatica researcher womu ye sciatica alpha and omega the beginning and the end entibra na yentu yade na se ema apamda da na yadwa munsom na
It's admission time for the 2025-2026 academic year,
and St. Andrew Senior High School is calling on all those who want to rewrite your WASSIM.
if you failed one subject, 2 subjects, or even more, St. Andrew Senior High School is the right place for you. If you want to better your grades and finally get the results you've been working for, come to St. Andrew Senior High School. This year, every student passed with straight A's, 100% success, 0 failures, and you can be next.
Over the years, St. Andrew Senior High School has been the #1 best private school in Ghana with excellent teaching staff and ultra-modern facilities that provide students with perfect environment for studies.
We also provide comfortable and secure boarding facility to make your study experience even better.
And oh, here at St. Andrews, students never fail. So hurry and enroll now. At St. Andrews Senior High School, we say perseverance leads to success.
Telecel cash na wo transfer charges and from sim via Ghana. For Telecel cash, send the keke. SSO will sort it out to old boy. Send the keke. Or consumer no bail. Send the keke. And your merchant payment. Send the keke. Call all networks. T-Cash agents in Swat Jibebia. Who person on Yama 1212B. Send the keke. Nani ye sim via no. T-Cash to T-Cash transfers. That's why you're free. Our Telecel play app na so. T-Cash. Kwaya bambo. Ufa so send me sikako networks ni na so. Any baby wadi mobile money di juma. Dial *110 hash. Na send sika. Ninya charges enter from sim biara. Ana Telecel play app no. Na for send sika ko T-Cash wallet so kwa. Telecel cash. Send the keke.
All right, so thank you. We are back. Now saying there was a story about on between one our local hospital, more lab, the lab technicians and doctors. Now, me see a commentary from one doctor. Now me see a film. Doctors say so much strike, all because say Kolebu especially. So honey referral munyina referral last stop, and that is understandable. That I agree. And so be bad now in the lab. There should be a specialist doctor or lab honuma after omu wie bibi ono be verify a confirm say oh I confirm say lab no mu ye right come I have big insult though I understand that there are practices that hold ma international standard but now no ohwe no mu ye lab technicians na e bia ko school na ye doctorate in the lab
yes.
If you tell me, say there's a specialist doctor, obi ono no ye lab technician na wa go school no. Ti say onya obi o ye specialist to that. And so no say test no mu ye no.
A
completer. I don't get it.
And any partner or no ye specialist no mo no kwese lab ho.
An kwese lab no me.
No ye adwuma no preko sasa.
You see
sasa. Yes, Ade, you are employing this and
I don't understand
again.
because lab and your mom there. They say advancement about machines in the most of the nyomanu.
Yes.
Interpretation, no. A doctor ne be interpretate.
That's all.
And to say a special case, they be here special doctor to interpret it. That is fine. And you need a special doctor in his consulting room or be interpretate too. Doctors no munya specialist
yes,
no be interpretate no meaning say doctors na mo no lab for the bar mo na mo ntiase
no asa
et munya doctors munya specialist be interpretate but you don't need a doctor or lab one so be confirm say adwuma no mu ye genuine. That is not how things work. It was disrespect. Disrespectful.
Absolute disrespect.
How?
Absolute disrespect.
So,
and the human our father so meeting our you need free honum na find specialist in the show.
If you need a specialist doctor to be at the lab, then sana lab ni acheche mu say we no mu ye say netia, then all of them are bunch of incompetents. Incompetent people no. What kind of insult is this? It's not the technicians in the biomuntiasie. Omo muntiasie doctors, muna mo admit someone tiasie. So you need a specialist doctor to interpret it to you. That is fine.
That's all.
But the way the doctor talked, no, it was very bad. I'm not surprised, eh? Almost alliance for biochemist and laboratory for no so sorry, yeah. Almost say it's an insult to them. As I say, doctors na a jai striking. Na Sadia we craft Ghana home. Kwame never be wa ye yentiasio. Sadia we who strike.
Wako featuring ye we obiti office. Afinu anipa ne ba be said you okoye.
Ono na twen sample no.
Ako use sample na ye hu adwuma.
Enya de na we wo say sample na wa twen we no ntiase. Entunya doctor like what kind of
thing? Doctors for no Kwame omo propose.
Now when him say adwuma bebre ho a Ghana doctors ne also mu yo ba omu ja abo nurses ne so ana nurses nso bebre nim
omu nim ene e rokosem
etinyam bi wa doctors ne adwuma ba nurses ne but I also understand say already doctor to patient ratio o Ghana ha na I was say basa the doctor to patient ratio ba na adwuma bi wa nurses for na mo mu a doctors ne be wuntam. But to say you need someone at the lab to no that was too much. That was too much. Unless someone catch and say a lab technicians no more no omu nya them we change them because Kwame ubedu kolebu no now you should understand certain things. You should have advancement in even some of these biochemists and lab technicians, you know, they are able to interpret some of these things. No crowd. One share when you omu and a pharmacist, you obey to my patient.
Yes.
Yeah. Farm phone. That's the do by from doctor farm. Almost say doctors. Because omu ne ye no.
Yes.
And omu the efficacy of the medicine.
Yes.
Eti hard man nipa no call lab. Now diagnose say we are the next thing medication. And medication the pharmacists understand the efficacy of the medicine. Don't do was here the man. Yes. And all that.
The last time we raised say omu here sa title doctor na me omo ya adwene.
Doctor farm.
Because sometimes Kwame so ko mo na chere ne say wo ha na ye o ya. Onu ne nim aduru a eye sa adwuma no. What you say?
Kwame, the more reason why in the wisdom of our forefathers and I say the frontiers, you know, omu here say every community at least you have over the counter medicine. Also mum holding you until they are more rounds, no.
Yes.
Because answer Becca say oh pharmaceutical shop or a pharmacy a shop. You should have a pharmacist, a resident pharmacist, or honoma. A drew dear dinner or more warning you should be able to interpret things that go because they are like first aiders or my first aid before some hospital. So obia office here. Sometimes the disrespect sometimes is too much.
Very.
It's too much.
Too much.
The way some of these doctors see themselves say as a more relevant than any other health professional. And it will be
medicine. I know my dream.
But pharmacists bread. Lab technicians bread. Obia bread. Omo say dangerous. Moja and it sebi. Ayi we and eja 9. Eja 9.
Omo bread pa.
Yati as free baby for. Wa me anopai me kwamra. RSYD Novigi Studio say bray.
Na yin twa photo papa.
Kama.
Yeah, my studio say.
And mu beda ho.
Photo e kama.
Who twa movie.
O person record.
Film.
O person wo ya wa
music video.
Ah, brati.
On be twani nyina dia.
Tutu mirika bra.
Enkra no mu wo.
RSY Novigi.
Malama Abia say.
RSY Novigi.
First Kroko Street.
RSY Novigi.
E wa no mu wo.
RSY
come and let's create something together.
Yes.
And for omni video.
Creativity so there. Hey, omo hallmark.
KG wa.
Creativity omo hallmark.
Eja wa.
When you be first you be chop picture na.
Say yen do ati nipa mienu na e kasa yen do ati. Creativity.
Hey. Ke anwo.
Unya so be ka chiro
mu. Anwo din.
Omu ni madwuma no. Ombe ye.
Kwame omu ye ni ye nso.
Temso na.
Efe.
No dia to mu.
Jiro na nso.
Kevin.
RSY Novigi.
RSY Novigi Studios. Kwame 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030 4822 nkofo na dwuma mu bo nkran ho no anu edin Roman Father na duro no
o jesu yei
Father Martin say ba mixture
ane
so ho na e otititi
ane
stroke na achew
ane
Kwame wona so ho nam tutu
ohia duro
sisi yade
ohia duro
sisi yade
ohia duro
jonku
ohia duro
pressure diabetes
Roman Father
yade be na ye kwankro
Roman Father
Roman Father na duro no
enu na ohia
drasto bia
enu ne be
pharmacy shop bia
ebitu yade na
ebi ohonum
obede ho
0247
yes
919 122
yes
0247 919 122
yes
and now 0552 66
okay
85
okay
17
yes
Roman Father
Nedro
Royal King Cracker
a man common
new crack Barbara Royal King Cracker a man common new crack onya bi man kwada no onya bi man kwada no kosko onya bi ko hospital onya bi rewra baby what's it
office
anopabia no also inspect
also our office no kwa na
also inspect
anopabia also your inspection
hospital na di ko
yes na
office na di ko
now who's
fanyo man ko to baby sir also your professional king cracker biscuit mu
yes
Royal King Cracker
yes
Royal King Cracker
yes
anope OCP Ghana Limited
ebeso do so
afudie
obedeska
atosodie
obediska
jeni
sika bebe bibiri
ntos
afudie mbeba
moko
wanya sika
nyadoa
wanya sika
bibia ye vegetables
mama kuya ye nya ya bi
mama kuya ye anase serious ebro emo
OCP
unya OCP NPK 15 ana 10 20 10 mo mudua legumes no
yes
OCP TSP
I don't know here
season yi
I don't know here
yeah bless so I
don't know here
season yi vegetables
OCP
sisi enkobo kingdom udua na dɔɔso a ensoto unya fertilizer OCP
uhia sika nso
Kwame 21st clinic
sciatica expert
clinic ejina ne na so
oto ase
ohwe yade bia
ohuna me oya
ohwe yade bia ohwe yade bia
nanso
so oye expert
sciatica
oti CSG
sciatica
etwenwa
21st
ebeka na ase
21st
yade kese e ba o
expert
also obo ho ban yo
21st
ansa na ebubu ogu 21st clinic 15 branches all over Ghana Kwame Uba Kumasi omu wo etwa overseas
yes
adabraka ya no mo Sompa TV Sompa FM yebutu su lo butu form oduru oboase a council quarters court junction Accra mo Odome market Sunyan regional hospital and teaching hospital Nkranza ombom Techima GN bank dada no omo ho 0249 311 0249 311 call center ni available time bia be free bia be cho be ben ho ni amo akọ Kingdom Herbal Center. Kingdom ye herbal garlic Kingdom garlic bitters. The whole Ghana obi anim say na the garlic capsules and bitters
immune system
now over 15 years.
Yes.
Among for that so jinam dia dance papa a boost immune system no stress a year free Kwame anxiety arthritis o person unya energy to work na da bia wo kwa kingdom nupa kingdom herbal center kingdom ginseng capsules and any bitters
kingdom
anope mema no so yetena ase hu say ginseng ana beboa mo e kingdom ginseng capsules ya di amamu bema di mama ye ni sie ni
no ginseng
unya extra energy na di akọ adwuma
extra
okọ akoye office work
extra
okọ akoye gwala tuwa
extra energy
unya kingdom ginseng ni
extra energy
bobi nunumbi twetwe bi kama kingdom ginseng power capsules eno ye mama no e man ye yi mu frim kingdom tremendous capsules
woni nka mo to konta ma pa
ni san fie hobon wo yesa mi mi ade o
ahimfie no ye wo
ahimfie ni de
oma o
nana ba obedwane
oma o
nana ba
odi America beko
obomode
onimo okra
siesie ho
ofre no bebisa se ho nie
menstrual disorder now menstrual do a face obi atonka
bosomi asu
tremendous never be you tremendous ye mama o de oyo ba nya kasa tenten ko pebinom na ade adansidie bebre me na meka se so wo 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 0559 761 144 kingdom nupa no oba kenshi drug lena yebutuo yebehwew kingdom herbal center
kingdom no
anope tago nie
menyesi
tago nie
menyesi
brakum
menyesi
dadikum
jinasei
wofakum
jinasei
ba ma de o se
brale
ojinaso
brale
tago
jira naiso
anope ba ma wo ye important dia ye wo
hydrogen
onya tago heba me
enfan ko se adwuma
dabi
nkasa wabre
dabi wan
nkasa na nsai de wadwenju do so me pacho
enfan ko se traffic se nti na nko fi obu akobo adwuma
misro tu ko aje wo tago ma ne nsore mane hu me so se mane paganity ase kotre wo se ba bi obefa
eno ke kanwoma bom
ajira se
wo ye fra kwaku ye fra aniaba ye sa fra baba ye sa fra justice ke kanyama bubu krache ma mema sem ne need I don't pay
my infro that
low libido
my infro mi
uni atenka oba na abema uni atenka
watinka ko yin
tetela po
o se media me matinka wachi
uni atago heba Mr. 0243 228 296
yes
Alapa abejafo abetena se na ya di nkomo Frank Frederick Dankwa is a Dankwa Jinamudi Amade New Patriotic Party MPP is part of the Ashanti communication team Sanso Ana Justice Kwaku Ania Baba and so anope wo fidiama ojamama the National Democratic Congress NDC or Ashanti communication team ne ho anope yemfa enkomoni nyina enhwehwe so na also Facebook no Sompa 93.1 oko leave comment no why ebeje ni akenkan the amount sa enso so ana 050 943 8500 050 943 8500 ebeje akenkan the amount enso ewo fidio ma meza dan kwa no pe machi
ye bru nkwanta
na epom te say
erade gusu hyirame na adom ni nti enye kora obi ani breme Jimidi yes also here.
Adum ninti. Enye kura me so obi ani breme. I love that. That's a smart thing. Why you not so green there? Good, good, good. If you boko, maybe I did the dean.
Maybe I did the dean.
It about the secret mic in his one in na. They feel comfortable. Very good. What do you train basin? Okay. Party be a base from the base. What do you train basin?
But the base movement Ghana first. Na ba consider the base Ghana first.
It's the same thing.
Confusion be.
Sentina.
Every MPP mo.
Sentina ntokwa bay. Every hamo.
MPP for no.
That is divided.
Understand. But say okay NDP. NDP.
Yeah, oh make I. Oh
make I. But you no move free hen.
This. So na bobo phone car games.
Okay Reforms Party.
Reform. Make I reform. Why not make I reform?
It's news is so.
Reform. I don't cry na oh papa e cry me finish. Busitano. Yes, Busitano.
When I say somebody 24 economy na share is
I.
We go to for cry shame.
Not too early days. Okay. Baumia is at government over Dumso says outages are hurting business. Dr. Baumia Enkomo Ode Ben, Mr. Dankwa. I don't pay my Misha say and free ho. If you Dr. Baumia, more flag bearer.
And Quantamidasi. Mammy Quine said, dear Mamenchia, Ashefo, any T4, Omosho, social media, no more show TV so. Omomuti radio singing, and I'm sure most strong council. Now, I mean, share the good people of Otafu constituency. Nana no matter when you're in Shiranka one party moon penning for council of elders, patrons, constituency executives, electoral area coordinators, any polling station executives in Amichomo. Quantana Michomo say, nay, I said, I'm a demo office. I'm assuming I am a polling station secretary for 16 solid years. And on my son, so I am assistant secretary of the constituency for 4 years. Nti we nsuma san ba besere o mani mu adom se nyame bia adom na mpanifo bi nkrata mu a o mani mu adom na o nsem nhire san ba besere na makopre eye second vice chairman ko going into 2028 elections na yehia operations papa na yetumi de defeat the NDC na miura asase so nyame ketwa de odidi ma ne bidi eye Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe wakwa kire leadership no wo Harvard University waba this waba be Drew Ghana asumdwemu nti na Dr. Matopeku Prempe napo asantema napo yemo akwaba na mechia we na no pen so kwanta na chairman mo che ona munu nkomo ban so de me bana man chan kranka ye chairman ode no kwaku apia asantema nkoka one ni team ni nyina ono so tu kwan ono so aba bedura asumdwe kwa so aye ba beto so ba ye adwuma na yaje asantema ni MBPS wo wa asantema ntemwa ti chairman de no kwaku apia wonu team ni nyina Dr. Kesken Dr. Francis Adomako, Francois, lawyer, Chiritri, Kingsley, Omunina, any team na canina, Michio Bibia. Na Justin from Poco does more betri. Na men can't also chow nano bay papa. The text message you cry now bay was saying Nkwantabisa good morning. I love your show. Justin from Poco, I believe said the second run, Yambe Wadom. Ama wasa to Atuaso Ayewa Juma. Now yet to me, acquire him, send ye say. Quanta me da se so ma me koma me machia se yidie quanta asoma yes me gidi so wura ba o mi aka emfumso bi ani ho ye nyina no eye nim sem se ena me no kasa yi dun so abeyiri ekun Ghana ye kohye ye nya kane amfa anya adwuma mason for ye kan sen electric welders ye nya kane amfa anya adwuma me no kasa sisi Ngwanta and washing bay for Yakani and Fanny Juma. Would drew even filling stations in Kobu for Hoya. And Quanta bedroom must so plants.
See a Duncan,
yet Duncaniano. Nina is it comes at a cost to businesses.
So drums from myself.
Now then another thing is said, Dumsona Yakan was and the cost of for a Yakania and found a freeze or more official. Until no do baby to say Asafu, who do baby to say Tama. There be a cost to a casino and a whole bon papa because a naming in our pro and Crofosi cash. It is a Dr. Baumia said Dumsono heti Ghanaians. It is true. My brother only the last time you share no ye call studio. Na na tadi amwa nti ope jacket bi no shegu so. Adentia we nya kani amfa Antonia. Eno ne nkomo no. Nti Nkwanta, that is the reality. But let me put this one on record. Nkwanta, NDC Oramahama, they are synonymous to doom so. Oramahama no doom so. NDC no doom so. Look, Nkwanta, on record from 2009 to 2016, NDC no mutia kunya so. Omo to Kenya buomu 294.6%. Ohachi chemu ahenu eduokono na echiripo ensia. Na nso ni nyina echi na Ghana fo nya Kenya nem. So baka ya wona owura ma maka Ghana fo se mo charge mobile phones rodo. Enu nti na mu nya Kenya nem no. Enti se mo pese mo dan Kenya mu dia. Ene mu nya mobile phones na mo charge no. Enso no charge ni phones. E hona be saka osako ka bi o se Ghana fo ya adwen se ye penkani adamu a. Yanya ya adwen se betu agira mobo. Ghanaians were paying high electricity tariffs. Now, so still another Ghana for Nyakanian. It is the same thing that is happening today. Within the last 16 months, and this is better Konyaso Ramahama Danwing. Do so near say Remu Biwa Mene Ukase. Mwanta OG and 38.33% electricity tariff. Dumso levy. Who catch him say Uji Dumso levy? Uji Dumso levy ya. Me no sumuda. What Jimmy Dumso levy no? Akikako afinie still am da so da sumu asa to me Kenya boom ngwata dia yakra ne se abosumi mienu a Ghana fo anya Kenya na mu no ene ya bills na mo dia bre no akosoro chen ne etua dada no Kenya na yenya bia mfa anya adwuma no later na fo anya bia mfa anya adwuma no where the senya bia mfa anya adwuma cost of anya bia mfa anya adwuma washing be fo anya bia mfa anya adwuma hairdresser senya bia mfa anya adwuma no ene ya bill na aba no e da o sesia April be na da ho no e so chen the last 2 months a etwa mu as you can hear you. It's in the Dr. Bomian cannot aye no cretrodo. Now, Nkwanta, sometimes in the entire was said, be a Cassas and Wagana for ye to Ghana for say. And this is for your political party. And also, when you muji defisa, one on Banco Yasua. Ye better sumu, as you bet check and Yanekawabra yet the sumu. And send your Mokachira. Uko a year, baby to say. mynewsghana.com date in 12 February 2024.
Okay.
As I say,
they are you know they are certain blog house.
No, mynewsghana.com, please you can cross check with other websites. I said don't get na kasa kire yi or somebody be the 24-hour economy eba na somebody ba One be the sumu, or one by Yama, some by Juma, and Mre. One by Kenya and a Bowofo. Anabatuangasa. He said that. So, irrespective of the block, that is what he said on the 12th of February 2024. Now, fast forward. My government will provide cheaper, more reliable electricity. John Dramani Mahama, the sitting president now. This is also according to modernghana.com. Dated 4th January 2024. And what do we see today? We are seeing the contrary. Yenya Kenya nem. Yenya Kenya fa nya djuma. Na so asa to Kenya boom. And that is the point. I don't know how no Dr. Baumia no. Now it is not a Dr. Baumia neka o. Was Ghana fo na neka, including my NDC men.
But say no ka say that will be 24-hour economy when it starts. And no more ye djuma nyimbre. That is what
that was a Johnson and saying it here. But John Dramani Mahama said, my government will provide cheaper, more reliable electricity without linking it to that 24-hour economy. That was what the President Mahama, the current president, said when he was in opposition.
That is true.
But Oba, we are seeing something different. And then in Kenya Nemuno. Yeah, come once more. Almost I catch us almost to Kenya boom. And that is our worry. Because don't you mean charge me 8.3% say me koto electric me koto fuel la. Some talk is a petrol and kerosene. Who bet me 1 cedi per liter. What it means is 1 gallon of me to bet me 4 cedi 50 pesos. Who just says can any problem. Who you was to Kenya boom and your problem. So where is the cheaper electricity tariff you promised? And then where is the reliable power you promised? Because the way Grofo is in opposition. Okay, current energy minister. Oranginapo. Or say MPP for Dumna Yedum Kenya no say. Sabi adwene nasa. A highly incompetent in Tinebasa. Owie ye no ka kire Ghana for say MPP for conform machines bia ba besi ECG ho na yedum Kenya o connection be 1 hour. Na yakwa akobie yakwa akodum Kenya tia so be say 1 hour. Na omo de omo pa sa de ne ye hunu bi. Ngwata mi ubakaya. The last 1 year in Ashanti region, particularly, ya dum so sound for a whole year. And so the national one you back home. And we are still suffering. And now no permit Bekra you do me Kenya. You do Kenya no. Enti komana woni ye die se oba be ma de ne boofo na ne de wo fom no. E no no wo hemfa. Me wa so sense nya Kenya na mu ni nyina no. E kwato wasan to Kenya bo onim. Ama me ho kire me. Ama man no ho kire no. E na aban na nkasa kra no onya Kenya mfa nya adwuma. Now you know the implication. What it means is that government or in the country Ghana is going to suffer in what productivity, because your productivity be form, because industry in adwuma ebunya Kenya mfa nya adwuma. Then again you are taking a lot of money from the pockets of the people. Meanwhile no Kenya na wan farmer wo mo ko adwuma so ma nya adwuma anye wo say to wo Kenya bo massage escape from motom. And it is a cause for worry. It is already Dr. Baumia Kasasam Noa would dika. Now, with the energy challenges that we are facing, also MPP Frakunya, so back I join Jinapo. Ada ya energy minister who go parliament. And I'll say, well, who say ECG for cranium 3,000 containers, containing a cables, you kind of saying. Transformers no money idea. Now, 2,000 plus year. 1 year down the lane, what has happened to the investigations? Today, they are telling us, and then, the same transformers ni cables, and omu use the upgrading, and that is a fallacy. Ubejina catch the Ghana for say containers in your 3,000 of them were sitting at the port. Who call in your 2,000 plus. And then what's the who catch them say the same Yamana now see Iran. What no solve problem who face no. Enti this for there. Omo ye huriye. Mo jump on mutrimuda. Or catch us at hesro. No one pound one sample hesro. And for be gu ani no. Be mobo. Enti no yen nyina ya nimsem. Ya ho kire ye. Kenya no ni ho. Ye nya Kenya nya dwuma. Enti yesro hura mahama ne na aban say. So what do you D levy? Asa to Kenya Boma, my young Kenya nam, the intimate fanya juma, the intimate and famwa or man and calling Quantania Mania Juma.
Teacher constitution, we are more say under the NDC. Decision making has become centralized and disconnected from the needs of ordinary Ghanaians. Resources are mismanaged and the promises made to the people have not been fulfilled. The hardship across the country shows the cost of bad governance. It is time for citizens to speak up and support the MPP to bring responsible leadership back in 2028. My regards to Honorable DKM, Honorable Mavis Nkansa Buadu, and Asantemai Koka. When so for Filippo Kwabre Kasim says President Nanado Dankwa Akufuado Free Senior High School is waiting for the BC candidates and wishing them all the best. Greetings to my daughter Frimpong Manson Echian Phyllis and my mother Auntie Mary of Jenny Soso Filippo Nediwe Ebaye. And officers land say, my brother, not everyone is entitled to do government work, and tell them to go and learn hard work or to do farming. Okay. Baba. So Mame Brown, so on the Doomso and Dr. Baumia and so comment on it.
Nkwantabisa. Me das na no pa mame fa akwanya wo de ama menchia ohwefo na otiefo ne no pa mutie. Na answer na be call topic no so no. me fa akonye we enchia colleague ba ko Ultimate FM MC and ne birthday ntime we shen happy birthday ne dwuma pa mo ina mo bo dwuma pa ade wanum na masa I wish aye honorable the incoming Asante regional chairman honorable Yao Isham Alasa Bonsu the special aid I found Kofi Amo Aben Asante and that's so na woda to me for fidikasi so no wishing happy birthday. Now me call topic no so now say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the former vice president no say Nkwantabisa now say Dr. Bawumia say you know Nkwantabisa you know every responsible government will take power stability very seriously because of businesses will depend on it. Nkwantabisa, let us be honest. Sir, current power outages are facing. It is not a doom so. A problem aba na solve. And then many okasai a buying way a distribute about 2,000 transformers yes it's and FD. Many okasai one infidi say yes it's an light to be soda. It's impossible. To me no said in some Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kwa kan no ohusem from so be a woman. I disagree with him. I didn't think make answer. Me no me to krom ha na the vice president excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in 2024 June 5th. Okwa jina nat hall our Accra. Eye campaign. Ahwa na edu me kania. I am quoting him this morning. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kache say do wakache say one ne boss na do danko akofo those doomso no it is not a prolonged doomso, it's a short term doomso. Sende if excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the ebe kache say and the current situation this government is investing much to solve the problem no or no ne hammer on this dia no ono na by no kwani they are so confused. Now if you cannot manage your MPP ye flag bearer ende now some person capitalize on this situation this government is taking measures investing to manage the situation no? You are capitalizing on this to rebrand yourself to look like maybe you can solve the situation. Yamamo 8-year mandate Oyetimamuni Yamamo 8-year mandate they couldn't do anything. What did they do in the energy sector? Many will say a car. So already the first state of the nation addressed by Excellency John Dramani Mahama IF 27 February 2025 last year or indicated say the MPP government left a debt of 68 billion Ghana cedis. A car moja to hono no and the men okasa PDF ECG de ono and nipa for ya arrest omo onim sika amawi ya arrest omo aye trying to prosecute them. These people are also part of the oral investigation no? And then 15 months in power ni amoba ya musa yintimi prosecute obia. We are going to use due diligence process to make sure say the corrupt MPP government appointee na danko akofo ado na ne or say we have the men now Ghana for the 8 years more money man yehwe no. We are taking due diligence and the process using the law to make sure say sikana mawie no we prosecute them. Tamonya abotremaye. We are not going to look at their pressure na modemaye no. Tamonya abotremaye. Enti say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and they capitalizing on this to say this we for now I will admit because can you know na a business estima koso. I remember in 2017 2018 that time Nkwantabisa I know you very well. That time you were at Akwanaba FM meboa. That time too, I was also working at Radio BER. I was also working there as a media practitioner. So I believe you guys speak the truth. Sompa TV, Sompa FM is a big platform. So but like I said, there Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kana information will be any media. Now I don't know what my brother is saying. And the Kurasa and the baby or your propaganda no because they cannot speak to the facts. Ghanaians are the judge. Ghanaians are watching. Today we are focused. This current government is focused managing the mess they left for us no. And no na fix no. And you mo de na mbe no na beti o mo. Te amonya abotre amaye na aban we fix nema. Nti na ye invest much on it no. Nti and na oka say on ne ba na edum ne light. Mo ma yanka no kura nchire ye ho. Ni enja propaganda no ntro no. Now ECG at the timetable aba e kire areas and there I'm going to fix it. They have announced to Ghanaians say they should prepare. We need doom so I'm say yes, no. Ghana, we are developing, we are about 34-35 million population. Yet transformer is be a week. Either step down transformer or step up transformer in a week. Overload na also. Many of us say Akusombo substation na eshi no. Now no, yasa I make sure say I'm installing machines are operating now for the past by 5 days. No doom so be man. Since say a horn she ya fix ya ye duma no say doom so asan be me doom so nim but areas are problems wo hono ne yes sir transformers and so Ghana for enya abotre man na we are fixing the mess amomo ja no hono amomo mre so amomo ni se bi kan sem doom so it was worse than what we have experienced now. What we are experiencing is not a doom so, it's a technical challenge na fix it amomo friends so no doom so by na mantima so no kwanya maja ma ye ba be fix no Ghana for mam ATM man dey na mantima nya hwe ya amo kick him out no. I think sir his excellency the vice president is dreaming on focus on he's dreaming on focus on what managing the MPP current me managing no MPP today is disorganized on to me manager over na sande o manage the man here am minister can say let me quote from June 6 2018 there is from what a credible sources adomonline.com minister asks traders to sell cocaine if they can't withstand the economic hardship where are you 2018 na brand doom so sorry people businesses collapse Taylor for that time the media they be no plant so if we boy den dollar e rusu kosoro that time the import duties yentimento net today Ghanaians are feeling better 15 months in power when any scandal be ana any scandal be an course wo amba tackle issue we say amoya propaganda e wo kokko hu sem so amoda kwoto ade betina makoso ade betina amoda kwa Bank of Ghana losses no enti MPP today they are so focused, they are so disunited, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the flag bearer for them now. Oh, make sure so become a boom can upon and there on them the base. Base no, party no more Diego. Alasha maintains so not in the party no. So MPP, you cannot manage MPP, and you are trying to capitalize on this situation that you created. Yeah, fixing to score a cheap political point in the year. Ghana 4 is the judge.
All right, may that say, I mean, kind of message kakra but na area. You're saying about the next topic. No, so I know about the central bank BOG and common minority raise a press conference on that, and your mom the majority responded, and it's still ongoing. And I'm told say majority best a press conference also on it. So you need the chair, I need the chair. Details now, so yeah, the bema. Our honum na a quick one na main kind win free for a free Oyibo NPP Oyibo Boating Atuma Nebehi member NPP media pictures. Mr. President, 24-hour economy with this doom so is impossible. The earlier you fix this power problem the better. Businesses are gradually collapsing. I to Chairman Nordino Kwakwapia Kuka Onabwa Wuku Michael Ashanti Regional MPP Secretary Hopeful and Shelley Chetiwa MP Atrumanwa Bieja South. Oibo di Odebaye no Mensan Saba North interest so. There is a growing concern that the tone of our politics is shifting in a worrying direction. When political competition starts to look like deliberate targeting of opponents, it risks undermining the very democratic value we claim to uphold. Leadership should be about ideas, accountability, and improving the lives of citizens, not creating an atmosphere of hostility or intimidation. In regards to Asanteman Koka, Honorable Sampine, Lawyer Justin Frimpong Kotia, Dr. Francis Adumako Francois, and Kwajo Ousu Bempa, with Mensan Sabaho. Okay, my member na now. So Central Bank at the one report on financial reporting about 12 the statement was not tasteful for the minority. Raising certain concern amount to know they think say they are being economical to actual facts now. The kankasa about the year or review no 2025 and then yes sir. In fact, Omar raised a lot of concerns. Majority about can say that is not the kind of crowd can say by the for stability. And now they say eba bebubu. Mami shall say free justice or justice.
Young Nkwantabisa, the Bank of Ghana issue ya abaye. Ye na ni say Bank of Ghana operate with a clear legal framework, not political instructions. Until today, the micro minority raising issues about the losses the Bank of Ghana created. And these losses is a losses to stabilize what the economy. Amomo paying so 60 billion cedis no. Mo choppy no. And no the amun timen ka ho asem. To me who say Bank of Ghana issue ne there we shouldn't politicize about this issue. So if we work Campo Krana, he is the central bank or regulator. That is the mother of what banks say. He is the regulator. Na say kwan you obefa so obe make sure say economy no. The economy now MPP for a creative mess, a serious mess. You want chire for 8 years, and now so my Ghana for a kojina a sort of machiko deal like so two by the tea or more ammonia 38.2 no. Still ammonia recover a more defeat no. They should allow us. The government is focused. They are more they are just making noise at Ghana for who say they are still alive. Because the micro minority, what can they do? Even if they didn't even go to parliament, cry you bet chichiro mine. Enti kakra mitima kan for hono say amonya abotre maye. Losses na moka say it is 44 billion cedis. It is not 15 billion no. It is a lie. It is a lie. Even say if it is 44 billion cedis na and there ho toye and there me no kase say fuel abafom. And there me no kase so me to bo abafom. And that dollar yatam 17 cedis. E dey aba me no kase dollar 10 cedis at interbanks. But so call Forex Bureau na mo na turn 11 cedis dollar you check you just go and then me no ka say you they couldn't manage it na and there business of course import duties above form and they be boa at the form obi etimi kwaba na send you want to capitalize on this losses say ya boka say dia even though if it is true that it is 44 billion in fact and there yetima stabilize am economy be e cost kama so the NPP
doing that politics say Bibia zooming with that admitting say Bibia crowd former. Now the central banker who much is expected from it, said your kind, a mother of all banks, a regulator, a misbehave with in the books. Can we also say because say our indicators are right in our books in tea. Yeah, man, that is unfair to the taxpayer.
Yes, and internal government way, the government accountability series by the CEOs, ministers of state, ever account with the Ghanaians. And now so the name of Mudia for the past 1 year and 5 months in Ediabano. So Ghanaians have the right to demand accountability, but not the MPP. Not the MPP. Not the MPP because they couldn't manage anything. Where sika amo Bank of Ghana printed them all musika ne wo hin amo che sika no na sisila abola minister mpo where sika ne negu nim paase aye sa sika na bi o sa watima tete losses amo mo time no
because no court of competent jurisdiction akase sika ne sika
aye sa sika ne bi na ono na katua nko betima ye that kind of money no
susu say
Mimi susu se sa sika ne bi no 60 billion loss sika na Bank of Ghana etwama omo na mo de yere amo chedi ye enye sa sika ne bi na mo chama parliament candidates amo de kaya campaign ebi mo kura ba abonte be kan ya na Sagneruku member of parliament mo no second vice chairman or Sagneruku constituency in the northern region wamba admit nti Nkwantabisa nti MPP for ne de sa Ghana for no we are working for Ghanaians so whether loss is not loss na and there you stabilize BBR I see no need for them to be screaming say Bank of Ghana has financial report about the losses for 44 billion cedis. So they should give us a break and then they should focus on because I'm say ya 2028 na so.
Break if we say yesterday MPP for time 60 billion far baby mo be kan wan say mo edrum so am say mam break ya mam break enye.
But so we have explained it to Ghanaians, so they understand the reason why the Bank of Ghana, saw losses near thereby. We have explained details to them and they understand. But MPP refuse to understand us. They want to capitalize on that under their demonstrations. We also called for accountability. We joined Ghanaian to ask for accountability. They couldn't give us any reasonable explanation as to why the Bank of Ghana, though government works together with the central bank, and there is no any interference now. They couldn't explain it to Ghanaians. That's where we are today. And there is a high time we MPP and this, we need to take away politics from these things. We need to take away politics. They say we are here interfering because Bank of Ghana, we allow them to work freely because they are independent body by law. And they are working. So there is nothing about say we are undermining them not to do the right. They are doing the right thing. So the losses has come are even reduced drastically. How can you compare 60 billion cedis to 15 billion? It has even reduced. So say now, but it came with a stabilization to the economy. And say you recover. Say European Union commended Ghana that they are very surprising that we are recovering. You see, because of their working together with what the finance minister, they are working to stabilize everything. So I see nothing wrong with the 15 billion losses the Bank of Ghana recorded.
All right. So as a close of yesterday, the FX interbank exchange rate near 11 cedi 23 pesos for selling and buying is 11 cedi 22 pesos. Mr. Dankwa, my member also Montiasie or my share say stability on accounting. There are two different things. There are policy stability and account stability. If you look into the books, the 15 billion that they were talking about in accounting is right, it's set up right. The other debts nearby losses, OMOs, that's the open market operations. You have the gold buying and all that. These accounted for the losses. Still now, Mose Montiasi.
Menya baba edin komono okeka nsem bi fa ECA Kenya no ho se ma ticket to be free one niam bi okeka ye we need to make things right. You see ato forcing any agbujina po omo nyina no ba ko finance minister na ba ko energy minister as we speak. Omo kan say consumers cannot be forced to pay higher tariffs to cover ECG's inefficiencies. Where joyonline.com, date near 4th March 2025. Until now, ECG food dum Kenyano. Why should Ghanaians still pay for it? Because Dr. Bamian proposed that with regards to the energy sector here, dum say how man. Or saying Kebeyanka Ghana, young plan say by renewable energy worth 2,000 megawatts. Over Kazam Pia manifesto not a room said that was the new direction per se. Then we stop over dependence on a but again, Baba, and no credit. Say, a custom where she ain't in a near could so. I have told you since last year, particularly in Ashanti region, you had that room so much for 1 year. And now we are back almost 1.5 years. Then why do you blame a custom where she? Why? Why do you blame? And then, wait. Me can we actually what here Johnson said in Katias and your kind if a necessary Samadan no can no credit any no credit. We are a Ghana web and a report Monday 12 April 2021. Tias kind. Or say if they are building new transmission lines, it has nothing to do with existing transmission lines. So how does your building of a substation somewhere contribute to doing so? It is after you have finished the new lines or substation and you want to change over, and that will take you more than what a week to do. So what is happening now is the breakdown of the existing system when the new ones haven't happened yet. I said and now Baba Traka said omo ya upgrading na yes some transformers some lines. And when you challenge you come here. I said in the system has been broken down. So that is the point. So Baba, for I know at to Hodomna, I have so. Then again, also besides MPP crown national grid send account. And contact can give you the breakdown, but let me sum everything up. MPP added 1,648 megawatt to the national grid in the last 8 years. So if there's any challenge with that, I can give you all the breakdown, mention them one by one for everybody to know. Nasa falls to them up pedal a chair and then be better conyaso or boy dying energy sector. How many send a car on the idea? No, when you through on a munyaka, Mamun Kabu and Kabu. With the elections in the end of the betcho and your problem. What that? A year BOG losses no abano. Baba say MPP appends to your boka 60 billion. Yantimi and Chichim. Yantimi and Kan Wasem. And Nuntino a year. Yantri aboso. Obakai a Sami Gemfi. Or say, San loss no a bar, year time 2023-2024. Young fat and Homan Koso Addison, Konya Fabos, or some cotton pum. And in fact, they describe the Bank of Ghana as a crime scene. Sabra for no catch the Ghana for. Almost see Antiman Church. And what enya by force. Such in China, opese o mopi up money from the system. Oboka, enya no cresa. Now look, my first comment and say, Ababia per se, the economy jinei. With regards to inflation, the strength of the CD, and also strength of the local currency and all of that. Yeah, the papa Abambiano, then ni edge home. Enti ayana any problem. Enti say no omo enjoy sudden. I have a crowd. But what they should understand is say, what they have done came with a cost. You see, Makase, some person more physical free system to control inflation in Adia. Also, MPP in between 2017 and 2020, that year, no. Say inflation was at single rate, single digit. We say na CD to dollar rate was form. We say na nyama nyina gina brane. Ni nyina MPP did that with no cost. Kopim say ye call 2022 a COVID in buy ya na won kire inflation we na inflation bi e kosoro. So the Bank of Ghana also needed to spend money just as they are doing today to make sure say any money nyina no ebetumi aba from. So be kaya MPP fra konwa so we left $8.9 billion foreign reserve to Ghanaians, to Oram Hama. He has admitted. The last time I came here I quoted him. Then the economy grew by 5.7%. That was according to the Ghana Statistical Service. Then again, we left behind to the NDC government 31 metric tons of gold. And now what more catch there say, with all the indicators today that they are telling us, when him say a cano year cano, so oka 60 billion na koka MPP de no and no more than 93 billion Ghana cedis. Yeah, go make a Bank of Ghana can no more time in order to reduce inflation, correct these things. No money. Their time now it's 93 billion. But what is intriguing is that no problem. So that is the amount there. That is the amount. Enti no mun giant throw na on you know. Na makase enye sa chinchina obe mopi absika from the system. I will say it should come at a cost. There is something that we call be a friend cash reserve ratio. Cash reserve ratio no. Banks no ejijisika Ghana e womra bi se banks ne ejijisika omo fa sika ni mo hanjiche mudu enko to Bank of Ghana. And no Bank of Ghana entry ahoka. Na 90% na aka no. O hanchiche mu adu okro na aka banks ne nsem no. Omo fa eno emo bobosia ya fa bi ma private sector no sa ne manem no omunya kwantumi fa nya adwuma. But in a situation banks no anya sa ade no, then the Bank of Ghana will has the authority to revise me can say the cash reserve ratio no. Say bi can I 10%. Say bank no say what do 10% na ba beto Bank of Ghana. Na say when to me am 90% na mo bobosia. Omo fra no bibia e fra no. You see a fra no credit creation. When to me anya sa anya mane nyina no a. No bank no ho kwan say o ka say one for sika na mo bosia ama enkrofo amfa bi anya adwuma ne ade ntina o say ye ti ofiri ho. Ana say ye pagya wo cash reserve ratio ni. omo to be kika samu ne munya na ni na ba be wem na aye kama. This one comes with no cost. Sure. The money you in the books of Bank of Ghana. I am a Fabeka chere and say, NDC abayo Ramahama ato force ne sami jamfimu da no. Wama ton gold a boka $240 million. Na nye NDC and community a ton gold boka. Clearly it tells me say NDC yen no koko kra de mo mo so mo ton boka. Koko yen no koko de mo so mo ton boka. Ah. Who say aban no a oja ho ma wona na enye no atumi acheki Ghana's gold from 8 metric tons to some 31 metric tons, which is about 22 metric tons difference at no cost. Who the 7 metric tons be kan ho a what's what boka 9.6 billion. Then again almost when stabilize economy no what's it who reduce inflation. Who percent we see can ho yeden na no kwa wako boka 15 to approximately 16 billion Ghana cedis. We see obi boka 9 billion baby come ono ne dia ne nye na wo boka 15 billion na wo dia ne ye. What kind of logic is this?
All right,
look in their own books, Bank of Ghana and books, you know, if you check you realize that omo incur a cost of 30+ billion Ghana cedis. So even at all the gold no koto ye na eka ho a and also say ya ka omo the ka ya can say 44 billion. And we've even taken out that of gold. And nyama mo my operational cost na mo ankasa ma ye any other na masa ya ka ho no eno ne ye ka se musika no amobo no sika no enye sa 15 billion na pesa mo ka no. Because we're checking the balance sheet of Bank of Ghana, what we say clearly, the difference in there is about 35 billion Ghana cedis. It is our cost. So why did we get the 15 billion? We didn't recover Ghana Bontino. 19 billion extra na account. What are question here? So you can.
But the same Bank of Ghana books, if you look at the cash flow, say it's bad for
no. There's a clear difference between stabilizing numbers.
Yeah.
It is different from stabilizing the living conditions of Ghanaians. They are two different things. And you can take me say cash flows number, but the point is that in your own books, one record said you have about 30-something billion lost, 35 billion point something 35 point something billion Ghana cedis lost in your own books. In your own books, why is the 19 billion? Now omo can say other charges no other losses be no year free books in. So it's up to them. Oh, catch them me say if you want to improve the living conditions of Ghana, yes, stabilize and
but me say don't get so many free books. I don't know, but the first going check it as that's the first BOG before you don't buy. It was in the books because that is where we get the 93 billion.
But so much deleted from website.
Currently,
they have deleted it because people are now becoming discerning enough. And what we say, but say what's the old stabilized economy? Mr. Wadara, me too, Mr. Bono. So what's the there be Mr. Wadara, 1 minute, Mr. Wadara. So what's the old stabilized economy? We expect to say living conditions a better, and then we're increasing all tariffs, including those of the government. And then the private sector is suffering because private sector no ain't credit in Pono there Juma. So what can you good phone is to say taxes in Como Juma? But what they make can say, sir, and then what's the stabilizing on microphone 1-to-1. Cocoa farmers, all farmers are crying, teachers are crying, nurses are crying, security services are crying. There is no money in the system. Yet to idea talk, that is the problem. Until they can't work in no.
Thank you, Mr. Dankwa. Just a minute now.
Nkwantabisa, the story of Bank of Ghana financial reporting, it is not a failure. It is about protecting the Ghanaian economy in Tenaba. And I explained about Ghana for what he has here. So, moment has here. MPP, you people refuse to think, and that is why. And yes, you see, they don't read you. But they don't read. MPP for the one kayon.
What have you read?
And
you have been thinking of
and they should continuously making noise. Yeah, we are fixing.
Now, Bank of Ghana, what you know? what the politics akwa Bank of Ghana sisi ya.
Yeah, the politics.
Yeah,
for policy be anko go dey be ya. Say
0548931931 0551931931 na my birthday sin Dawson. One pick course no. Hello, good morning.
Nana Nkwantabisa, the longest name.
The only driver with the taxi international.
Yamisapa, the word of the Johnson. Na Baminchia, my Puka I care. And Uzbenta incoming chess. I will in share so. Nana, that you have a cast as a which I would say. Or man, we do about where they were man will pass, we defend the NDC. What is the Oka about a doom son? Na NDC will defend doom son of the pass. I'm here to say what the driver there. Then when you say doom son of Kran and I want some car. Because NDC as a political party, one co can and on Bidumono. At the end yet, any atu bola soon has a cofa, any have found one to them, any and Madame Fugisan, any and then Chibuno. Maybe the President Mahama say, 12 hours, my cacao. And I work 24 hours economy. It's a 24 hours economy. So, a bit you man on I say, you pay you will soon. And don't say some several. I was here with my crowd.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay. All right. Hello, good morning. All right. 0548931931 0551931931. Then my birthday is in so my brother they want to so. That's some good one. Hello, good morning. Mami Ramu Waha. Na menya birthday name is Ade Akye's birthday. The Mr. Dankwa birthday no first. Over to Soba me na me wish Mr. Dankwa birthday. Hard working Frederick Dankwa. Yera Frederick Dankwa FFD. Today is your birthday. We wish you happy birthday. Yes, Yankopon say ono emma ni favor de nye kese wo so. Nyame mi oso afi Oma niema papa emra wakwamu. Niema washiri over the years. So nyame mo multiple times and for mom. Era Dankwa ye do on behalf of Sompa FM, Sompa TV, the entire family say, yeah, ma happy birthday. But it's all party for so Emma happy birthday. You did more videos so happy birthday. What did they say? You more video. As I see you get to Dr. Matthew happy birthday. All right, we movie. Okay, okay. DJ Lofty, happy birthday, bro Kwame. Mr. Lofty, the Bonnie Show, also Bono FM. Bro Kwame, today is your birthday. Happy birthday, bro. I love you so much. And I'll pay you my happy birthday. Sompa TV, Sompa FM, yes, happy birthday, Senya Misha. And then can call at the mouth. One of the best morning shows hosts we have in Ghana. So happy birthday, bro. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Lance Corporal Yao Paka, Chief Warder. Happy birthday, Chief. You say Yakupon Intra at the mount. And then I would day, you say Yamison from Dumu Qua Dumu. Yame Emma also, then Yame Manyakesi. Chief. Happy birthday, Mr. Parker. And happy birthday to Kenneth Nana Kwame. Nana, today is your birthday. Kenneth, today is your birthday. We ask for God's blessings for you. Nana, you are the founder and leader of APP. Nana Kwame Kenneth from Nana upon Checheku. Wishing you God's blessing and favor. And then I day, Yama happy birthday. You say Yamisha Amount upon Checheku or Sompa TV, Sompa FM. So my happy birthday, sir. Enjoy your day. And today is your birthday, black boy. Black boy. Love and unity. From love and unity. Happy birthday to you, black boy. Yes, come papa. Black boy, enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Adepa Salome. Adepa Salome, there you are. Adepa Salome, on Kransa, wait for systematic press. Systematic, the more reserved you man on your birthday. So, from our dear systematic press, he says, happy birthday to Adepa Salome at Kransa. Enjoy this special moment. Enjoy this special day. Adepa, happy birthday to you. And happy birthday, Kasiapa, also Enkoma Veronica Boatima Asari. You are a nurse at St. Teresa's Hospital in Kransa. This is from your husband, Mr. Francis, at Ghana Commercial Bank. Your husband says he loves you so much. So, chest out, hands up, and know that you are being loved by a lot. Mr. Francis loves you so much. Happy, beautiful birthday, Boatima Veronica. Honorable Yosef Dauda Yakubo. Honorable Yosef Dauda Yakubo. Dodwana from Salvation. Oya Assembly Member. Oya Buedi Electoral Area. Way free Adriana Ba Kofi Ampon Emmanuel. Oya Morning Show host. Mabesh TV and FM. Yedria Kofi Ampon say. O say Yami Shamau. O say Yami Son Fra Adumu Kwa Adumu. Honorable, enjoy this special day, knowing that you are blessed and you are special. Happy birthday, sir. And happy birthday to Jamina Afel. Jamina Afel. Jamina Dodwana from Jamelu. Oh, your teacher, and you were asking from Abushia. The family says happy birthday to you. Sir, enjoy this wonderful day. Said you will show you Miriam wa Yamino Boafo. I feel Jamaica wow. Now I'm walking my sword. Happy birthday, sir. And happy birthday to my one and only boss, Afa Issa. Afa Issa, CEO of Afa Issa Gold Buying Company and Boutique. Our man crown so Afa one. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God grant your heart desire. We free ya Ebenezer also answer or Sompa TV, Sompa FM, Commander Stone, and senior brother, Honorable Abubakar Sadiq DC for North, Southwest. Honorable Abubakar Sadiq, what your correct man say. Almost on my happy birthday. Enjoy this day. And a glorious birthday to Lance Corporal Gabriel Abam, Bono Regional Commander. Driver and a new Abam 1. Abam birthday, Lance Corporal, Abam International, the Gabriel himself. Happy birthday, Commander Driver, known as Union Patrol, Lance Corporal. Happy birthday, we wish you the very best. Enjoy your day. Money tell na Mr. Waka, but Mr. Waka Bo. Mr. Waka Bray. Now, wow, say, I don't pay the come by Jada Fowl. Who's the befilu? Now, by Jada if I say you. Happy birthday to Lawyer Charles Owusu Gianna. Lawyer Charles Owusu Law. Happy birthday, sir. We wish you very blissful, happy, and glorious birthday. We ask God for his protection and his mercies upon you. We ask God to shine his countenance upon you. Sir, chairman or friends, you are chairman for Friends of Baumia 2008. So my happy birthday. You may receive the ring band. So my happy birthday. Council, enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Reverend Edward Adubuahin. Papa, Yame Emma Dominion Kosoma, you are headmaster of Divine Temple of Christ Ministry. We free ourselves for many in our homes. So, my Japati Sawan Combe Day. Obviously, Papa, Yami Shaw, Omo Do, Yame Dominion Rosoma. Happy birthday, Papa, Reverend Edward Adubuahin. Young friend, we cry. Happy birthday to Mrs. Lovia Jessie. Mrs. Happy birthday to you, Mrs. Jessie. Yamin Shaw, no, you can say, Copim so by your Cassipa. And I shall also say, You are special. Happy birthday to you. On that note, happy birthday to Esther Yerenchiwa. Esther Yerenchiwa of Queenie Est Saloon, Palace, El Kaswa. Esther, today is your birthday. Beautiful Esther, happy birthday. Enjoy this beautiful moment, knowing that you are special and be loved by a lot. Happy birthday. See you. Have a blast. On that note, dear friend, me, Nana Kwame Nkwantabisa. A man for you now, Nkwantabisa ni. And a birthday, Cassia Pa, Mr. Otibosu. Mr. Otibosu, the head director of Base Party. Mr. Otibosu, and I am what up I say, Yamisha Mount. Say, Yamish on from Dumu Qua Dumu. Now, Manisha, the moon comes to Mount. Happy birthday. If you are ready to do Edison Party, we need to say happy birthday to you. Yamisha Bibiasa.